Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this model, we are going to discuss our second question. Show that diagonals of parallelogram divide it into four triangles of equal area. So here, let's take what is that parallelogram ABCD and diagonals are. So what is the diagonals? AC and BD. The opposite vertices are joining. Let's going to take triangles numbers here. Let's going to give this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are the 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles? Triangle AOB and triangle AOD and triangle DOC and triangle COB. So these are the four triangles. Let's going to find this. What is the first case we have to take it is, let's consider triangle ABC. So let's consider triangle ABC and parallelogram ABCD lies on the same base. What is that? Here AB, and between the parallel lines, what is that? DC and AB. So here DC is parallel to AB. That means area of triangle ABC is equal to half of the area of parallelogram ABCD. So this is the, let's take this is equation number 1. So this is the case like this we need to find. And similarly triangle ABD, then parallelogram ABCD lies on the same base and they are between the parallels AB, that is the AB and DC. So here AB is parallel to DC. Then what you can write it here is triangle ABD is equal to half of the area of ABCD. So let's take equation number 2. Then here what you can write it here is, let's going to write the condition is here OB is, let's consider triangle. So what you can write it here is triangle, let's take this is the AOB. So in triangle ABC, what is that? So let's going to consider triangle ABC. In that OB is the median. Why? Because it is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC. That is, in parallelogram, diagonals are bisecting each other. Then what is that? OB is, then OB divides ABC into two equal area triangles. That means here triangle AOB. So triangle AOB is equals to triangle BOC. This is the case, triangle AOB is equals to triangle BOC. Similarly, what you can write it here is, in triangle ABD, so AO is the median. Then what you can write it here is, so triangle AOB, so here what you can write it here is median, and this AO divides ABD into two equal areas. That means triangle AOB is equal to triangle AOD. So that means, let's take this is equation number 3 and 4. So this is 3 and this is 4. From equations 3 and 4, what you can write? Triangle AOB is equals to triangle BOC, that will be equal to triangle AOD. So this is the case. So as we taken, this is first triangle, second, third, fourth. So here what you can write it here is 1, 2, 4 triangles are equal to each other. So triangle, so let's going to write here triangle AOB is the 1. Triangle 1 will be equal to triangle 4 will be equal to triangle 2. Then what we have to show here is triangle 3 is congruent to both 2 and 4. Then what you can write, all the triangles are equal to each other. So for that we will move on this. Let's consider triangle DAC and parallelogram ABCD. So here common base for the both, common base is equals to DC. Then DC is parallel to AB. Then what you can write it here is area of triangle DAC will be equal to half of the area of ABCD. So this one we know. And the next one, triangle DCB, same ABCD. Then here common base is DC and DC is parallel to AB. So in parallelogram ABC, then what is that? Area of triangle DCB is equals to half of the area of ABCD. So like this equations we can write it. Then what is the next one condition here is, so it will be divided into two equal triangles. So DAC is divided into two equal halves. That is triangle, as we know this are OD is the median. So AOD will be equal to triangle DOC as DO is median. DO is median. Then triangle, this one, let's going to take DOC and this triangle. What you can take? Triangle DOC is equals to triangle COP. That is here OC is median. OC is median. Then what you can write it here finally? The final statement you can write like, so triangle AOT is congruent to, let's go into is triangle DOC, that is will be equal to triangle COP. So this is the case what you can write it here. Then finally all the triangles we can take it as all the triangles are congruent to each other. So let's going to write all these triangles are equal in area. So this one and this one let's going to take, and this one. So this one, all the triangles are equal in area, that is triangle AOB. So area is congruent means all are congruent to each other, all four triangles congruent to each other. Then what you can write? Area of triangle ABB equal to area of triangle AOD will be equal to area of DOC, that will be equal to area of COB. So this is the case, like this you need to show. So the diagonals, what you can write it here is, so diagonals of parallelogram. So let's going to write diagonals of parallelogram is divided into parallelogram into four equal triangles. So BD and AC divides parallelogram ABCD into what you can write? Four equal areas triangles. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.